Hello friends, in this video we will go to discuss about principle of duality. Duality is nothing but if we have a two circuits, the mesh analysis result of one circuit is equal to the nodal analysis result of another circuit, then we can say the two circuits are the dual circuits. Okay, that is nothing but the principle of duality. That is written here. See, two electrical networks are said to be dual if the mesh equations of one is the nodal equations of other. Okay, this is the principle of duality. Now observe, here we have two circuits. The mesh equations of one circuit is equal to the nodal equations of another circuit. Okay, let's see how to convert the one circuit into another circuit in terms of duality principle. Okay, that the two circuits result the same thing. The mesh equations are equal to the nodal equations already given in the statement. The two circuits are given the same thing. Then how we can convert the one circuit into another circuit by using the duality principle? Okay, first here some of the terms we need to remember for converting the one circuit into another circuit by using duality principle. First, if we have a circuit like a loop basic, then we can convert that is in the nodal basics. If we have a voltage in the circuit, then we can replace current. If we have a resistance in the circuit, then we need to replace in place of resistance as the conductance. And we have a inductance, then in place of inductance we have to keep capacitance. Branch current is replaced by branch voltage, mesh is replaced by node, short circuit is replaced by open circuit, parallel path is replaced by series plus. Instead of this we have, if KCL is replaced by KVL, like that we can replace one circuit voltages into another circuit current, resistance into conductance, inductance into capacitance, branch current into branch voltage, mesh into node, short circuit into open circuit, parallel path into series path, KCL, KVL, like this. Okay, here we have one example. Here we have one circuit that is having voltage source, resistance, inductance, capacitance. Suppose if we have a question for finding the dual circuit of dual circuit of the circuit, then we can simply replace the voltage source as current source, V voltage source as I current source. And one more thing, remember, here parallel path is replaced by series path and series path is replaced by parallel path. Observe these four elements: voltage source, resistor, inductor and capacitors are connected in series. That means if the dual network, for this network all the elements are connected in parallel. Okay, first, in place of voltage source we need to replace current source I, and in place of resistance, see here, in place of resistance we need to keep the inductance that is connected in parallel. Why we need to connect in parallel in dual network means, in normal network, in the given network, the voltage source and the resistor are connected in series. That's why in dual network we need to connect this current source and conductance in parallel. Okay, and the next, inductance is replaced by capacitance, and here also these two are connected in series. That's why we need to connect parallel to the conductance is parallel to the capacitance. And the last one is capacitance. See here, capacitance is replaced by inductance. Okay, capacitance is replaced by inductance. That's why we keep inductance in parallel with these elements. This is how to convert one circuit into another circuit by using duality principle. This is very important for 2 marks. Okay, I think you have clear. You have any doubt, please ask me. Thank you for watching this video.